everyone, if you're like me, you like the Bronco berry sauce from Arby's, but they never give you enough. So today I'll be making a copycat Bronco berry sauce, and I'll have Dave do a comparison test. So what all goes into the copycat Arby's Bronco berry sauce? 3/4 cups water, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup corn syrup, 3 tablespoons pectin powder, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon red food coloring, and this is optional, 1/8 teaspoon onion powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of paprika, 1/4 cup minced red bell pepper, 1/2 teaspoon minced canned jalapeno peppers. So let's begin. So take a small saucepan and add all of the ingredients except for the red bell pepper and the jalapeno peppers. 3/4 cup water, the 1/3 cup granulated sugar, the 1/4 cup corn syrup, 3 tablespoons of the pectin powder, 2 teaspoons of the cornstarch, the 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of the red food coloring, the 1/8 teaspoon onion powder, pinch of cayenne pepper, pinch of paprika, and a pinch of garlic powder. And whisk that well. Then add the 1/2 teaspoon of minced jalapeno peppers and the 1/4 cup minced red bell pepper. And whisk that up really well. Heat over medium-high heat, uncovered, and bring it up to a full boil. So it is at a full boil. We'll reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So remove it off of the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes off the heat. Give it a stir. And it kind of has the consistency of the Bronco berry sauce. Then after you give it a stir, put a lid on it, let it get to room temperature, then you can serve it. Or you can put it in the refrigerator and chill until you're ready. And I'll be waiting until Dave gets home tonight. All right, so we're going to be doing a comparison test with the Arby's Bronco berry sauce and homemade copycat Broncos. And Dave's going to see if he can tell which is which or if they taste the same. But here's the twist. I bought him a new mask because he didn't like the coffee mask. But I don't want him to see what it is, so he's going to close his eyes. I'm going to help him put it on, and then I'll take it off, and he won't see it until he gets to see the video. So I helped Dave put on this mask. He had his eyes closed. So we'll go ahead and do the taste test, and he looks cute. You've got, what?
I know this is wrong, I just don't know what it is. And it's too small.
It is too small. I got it out of the kids section, if that gives you any clue.
No.
All right, so in front of you there are some mozzarella sticks and 2 different sauces. And go ahead and try that. And then let me know if they taste the same or which one you think is the Bronco berry sauce from Arby's.
This one seems like it's thicker. Whatever. Can't tell for sure. No, maybe not. It seems like this one has a little more of a pepper. I can't say it's hot, but a little bit more of a pepper kick or something. I know this is not, it's cold. I don't know. They're both good. This one has a little, almost like a little bit of a kick to it. Not anything crazy though.
So which one do you think is the Bronco berry sauce?
I don't know, because I don't think I've ever had Bronco berry sauce. I don't ever ask for it. If I had some, it was just a.
So which one do you like better?
You know what? They're both. I can't really say. Gosh, I don't know. They're pretty close together. This one is a little sweeter, I think. And this one's got a little bit. It's almost as sweet, but it's got a little bit of a bite to it too. So if you like something that's spicy, this is a teeny bit spicier than this one. They're both very good. I like both of them actually. And I don't know, if I was in the mood for something spicy, I think this one would be the one that I would choose. This is a really long taste test, and it's wrong from the beginning that I have to wear something I don't know what I'm wearing. The difference that I'm tasting, this one has a little bit more kick to it as far as the flavor goes. They're almost exactly the same, I think. So one of them is made from scratch?
One of them is made from scratch, yes.
Okay.
And I'll take your mask off, and then I'll let you know which is which. You survived that. The B is Bronco berry, the C is Copycat. And the spiciness that you're tasting is red peppers and jalapeno peppers, right? So if I actually cut back on either one of those or both of those, they may taste the same.
Well, they're both good. Why haven't I eaten Bronco berry sauce before?
They'll only give it to you for jalapeno poppers.
I can taste the pepper in this one, but other than the pepper, I can taste very little difference in these two. So either one.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.